Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Link, and today I am showing you a grocery haul on a budget. I always want to make sure I have my protein sources, which thankfully we do right now. We have plenty of protein sources, but we do not have enough sides and vegetables and fruit. Fruit we blow right through because I eat it so much. And yeah, so I'm here at Giant today. I want to kind of pick up some fruit, some vegetables, some stuff for, we have company coming down to visit us soon. So just some different things, different snacks. That way we are prepared for success. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a video from me. So I picked the one day to go grocery shopping when it was gonna thunderstorm. So I went in and it was sunny, it was bright, it was hot. And I came out in the middle of a thunderstorm, so I'm soaked. So that's fun. And I am absolutely that person that parks like far away in the parking lot so I can get my extra steps. And so nobody parks near my car. And I'm in my mom's car today, so like I had to be extra careful. So yeah, there was that. And second, I forgot my list. So I went in with a game plan of like all the stuff that I had to get. And I forgot my list because I was trying to sneak out so the dogs didn't freak out because their favorite person ever was leaving. So, anywho, I made sure I got some staples. I got some things I knew I needed for the coming week when company comes to visit us. And so, yeah. So, let's go home and check out what we did get. And hopefully it's dry by the time we get home. Okay, so I made it home through the storm, but I wanted to share some of this stuff quickly. I spent about $135, I think it was. And I obviously got more than this. I got some stuff for when family comes to visit, just some like chips and like little stuff like that. But, so I'd probably say, I don't know, $100 here, maybe less. Anyway, doesn't matter. So, some of the things that I got. First things first, I got fruit, so I have 3 strawberry containers, I have blackberries, and I have blueberries. I like to just mix these in with the Greek yogurt that I got. Forgot to pull this out. So I got non-fat Greek yogurt. I normally get Chobani, but I saw they had like a Giant brand, so I was like, we'll try it, see how it is. So, non-fat vanilla Greek yogurt. This is like my favorite snack. I put this with some fruit in it. So good. And another tip too, if you have a really good protein flavor, like protein powder, put the protein powder in your Greek yogurt, mix it up, and then add fruit, whatever you want to it. But super easy way to get a bunch of protein. So 3/4 cup or 170 grams is 0 fat, 17 carbs, and 15 grams of protein. So that's a really nice little chunk there. And then based on what you add to it, you can get a nice little hefty protein snack. So I got my fruit, and then I also picked up some stuff for some salads. So I love cherry tomatoes, and we're also using these for like a veggie pizza when my family comes. But anywho, we have extra of these. And I also love spring mix, so I got myself some spring mix. I don't know what it is, I just love me a good salad. Croutons, Drew was like, he needs croutons in his salad, I think. He like really likes them, but. So we got some croutons, and then I also wanted to try Boathouse Farms because I normally avoid them because of the yogurt. Lactose intolerant, can't have that, but in small amounts, it's okay. So I wanted to try their balsamic vinaigrette because balsamic vinaigrette is my favorite salad dressing. So I got some of this. 2 tablespoons, 30 grams is 0 fat, 6 carbs, 0 protein. So that's pretty damn good. So I'll take that all day long. And then I also just got cucumber ranch because I did pick up some cucumbers. So I thought this would be a nice little like dip, and Drew could also use it. So 2 grams of fat, 3 grams of carbs, 1 gram of protein. So really not bad at all. Okay, so next, I got some thin sliced honey smoked turkey breast. I got the one that was 97% fat free. So it's for 5 slices or 55 grams, 1.5 grams of fat, 4 carbs, and 10 grams of protein. Again, super easy snack if you want to make a sandwich out of it. Obviously you have that option, but me personally, I can just put some Laughing Cow cheese and put that on a rice cake with some of this on top. Whew, it's good. And Laughing Cow cheese, I do have some. Let's see. So Laughing Cow cheese, I'll just use like one little wedge. 1.5 grams of fat, 1 carb, 3 protein. And same for this one, except this is 2 grams of protein instead of 3. So I'll take one of these, put them on my rice cake, and then put some honey smoked turkey breast on top. Whew, it's good. So some other things I got, I just got some English muffins. I love English muffins. I don't know what it is, but they're like my favorite. So some other little things that I got, peanut butter, always need peanut butter, just a thing. And it's nice to put on rice cakes as well when you're not putting something like that on it. Pickles, because I freaking love pickles and I always need to have pickles in the house. And amazing snack. It's 0 fat, 0 protein, and less than 1 gram of carbs. So super convenient to have these on hand because it's just a little something to pop and go. Other than that, I got some corn. I just love me some corn, and it's the summertime, so I need corn on the cob just for a little bit longer because your girl is ready for fall. And then, like I said, I got some cucumbers. Some of them are for when family comes to visit, but I also love to slice up cucumbers and just eat them as a snack with some ranch. And then finally, some other little things. I got this new, I saw it in, I get the magazines whenever I go, just because sometimes you can find really, if you have a Giant near you or your grocery store has like magazines like this, try and get one because sometimes they have really good recipes in there, and coupons. I'm about the coupons too though. But I love trying new things. So this was an herbal infusion, caffeine free. It's a tea bag, but it's strawberry, lemon, orange blossom. So I'm excited to try it. I don't know, my mom saw it, she gave me a coupon for it, and she was like, oh, I just thought you would like these, so I'm trying them. So we'll see how those go. This may be a fun way to kind of spice up my water, make sure I'm getting my water intake. I also got some bananas and then some lemons because, again, spicing up my water. I never want to get bored of it, so I always add some different things, spice it up. So this is everything I got. I'm gonna put this away and then I'll be right back. I also forgot to show you guys, I got some frozen vegetables. I also got some canned vegetables. I'm not a huge fan of canned vegetables, but sometimes they're nice to have on hand. That way, on the days where we do run out of frozen vegetables, I have something else to make sure I'm getting enough. It's just super convenient to have those. I also get some pasta sides sometimes just because they're, again, convenient. They're nice to have. So if you love this, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss a video from me. And one last thing, don't forget to click the link in the description box below. I have a grocery list ready for you. Just click the link. It'll be sent directly to your inbox. So go get that. That way you always have your grocery staples. That's kind of what like this trip was I'm making sure I had all of my staples that I needed in the house. So we're ready to take on next week. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.